Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will be teaching you how to perform wudu or ablution properly, step by step, just as how the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, taught us. Wudu isn't just about washing, it's a spiritual and physical preparation to stand before Allah, the Most High. It cleans not only our bodies, but also cleanses us of our minor sins and helps to reset our hearts and minds for worship. If you're new to Islam, still learning, or just want to make sure you're doing it correctly, this video is for you. Without further ado, let's get started, inshallah. Step 1. Intention and basmala. First, you must form the intention in your heart to perform wudu solely for the sake of Allah. There is no requirement to say it out loud. Afterwards, you should say Bismillah before starting, either in your head if you are already in the washroom, or out loud if you are not. Saying Bismillah before starting is not obligatory, but is a sunnah action of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and is highly recommended. Step 2. Wash your hands. Wash both of your hands 3 times each, starting with your right hand. Make sure to get every part of your hand up to your wrist, wet with water. Step 3. Rinse your mouth. Swish your mouth with water 3 times thoroughly, making sure to get any residual food particles out. Step 4. Sniff water into your nostrils. Gently snort or inhale water into your nostrils 3 times. Step 5. Wash your face. Wipe your face with water 3 times. Every part of your face must be covered with water, meaning from ear to ear, and from the top of your forehead to the bottom of your chin. For men with beards, wipe your wet hands through your beard once as well. Step 6. Wash your forearms. Wash both of your forearms with water 3 times each, from the fingertips to the elbow, starting with the right. Make sure every part of your forearms are wet. Step 7. Wipe your head. Move your wet hands from the top of your forehead to the back of your head, and then back to the forehead again, once. Don't worry about messing up your hair, and as a result not perform this step properly. Forget about the worries of the dunya and perform this step to the fullest. Otherwise, your entire wudu will be invalid. Step 8. Clean your ears. Without taking more water, using the same wet hands as in Step 7, use your index fingers to wipe the inside of each ear and your thumbs to clean the area behind the ears as well. This is done only once. Step 9. Wash your feet. Begin from the toes and wash all the way up to and including the ankle, making sure water is touching every part of your foot and ankle. Do this 3 times with each foot, starting with the right. Step 10. Shahada and Dua. First, recite the Shahada. Afterwards, recite the Dua.
اللهم اجعلني من التوابين واجعلني من المتطهرين.
This is as well solely a sunnah action of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, to be done after completing wudu, and is not obligatory. It's important to note that wasting water during wudu is discouraged and can even be considered haram, depending on the scenario. As a result, you must not wash your parts more than 3 times, keep the tap running the whole time, and use unnecessary amounts of water during wudu. It is crucial to be mindful of your water usage during wudu. Now that you know how to perform wudu as per the sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, you should now learn what things invalidate or break your wudu. All of the following things break your wudu: excretion from private parts, such as urine, stools, passing wind, ejaculatory fluids, preseminal fluid, etc., sleep or unconsciousness, excessive bleeding, vomiting, touching private parts with sexual desire and without a barrier in between, losing mental awareness, and intoxication. If you were to break your wudu before or during salah, you must redo it in order to pray. If your wudu was broken by excretion, then you must clean the affected area and then perform wudu, unless you ejaculated. In the event your wudu is broken by ejaculation, you must perform a more in-depth spiritual cleansing called ghusl instead of wudu before praying. If you had socks on before your wudu broke, you are not required to complete Step 9, washing the feet, when renewing your wudu. In place of step 9, you must wipe over the top of your right and left socks with your damp right hand. That's everything you need to know about wudu. I hope this video was clear and informative for you, and that you benefited from watching this. Quran 41:33 says, "And whose words are better than someone who calls others to Allah?" So expect a great reward if you share this video and aid in helping someone perform wudu properly. May Allah accept all of your future wudu. Assalamu alaikum.